Hello and welcome from the South Carolina Department of Education Office of Personalized Learning. We are thrilled to bring to you today our Framework Foundation series, a set of modules to help you paint a picture of what personalized learning looks like in a classroom setting. We've created a series of modules and we are excited to share those with you today.
In our first framework module, Why Personalized Learning, you will be able to discover why building an equitable student-centered learning environment is so important to the times we're living in, and explore how personalized learning practices support that vision.
In our second module on student ownership, we'll revisit who is doing most of the work in the classroom, teachers or students. You'll consider the subtle shifts you can make to help move students into the driver's seat as they take ownership of their learning.
And when we shift into a learner-centered culture, getting to know our students, their strengths, and their interests becomes habitual, almost routine. The Framework Foundation's Learner Profile module will take you beyond those initial surveys and bring you to building the true student ownership through learner profiles while highlighting the connection of supporting student self-awareness.
In the fourth Framework Foundation series on learning pathways, you'll learn about the combination of learning pathways and student ownership and how it really starts to drive personalized learning. You'll also begin to shift away from the one-size-fits-all instruction and start exploring what the DNA of a pathway really looks like and the structures that support the implementation.
And lastly, you'll dive into the Flexible Learning Environments module, which will be released in November, so hang in there. We want you to experience what personalized learning looks like through these modules. So like Stephanie said, there's going to be transparency, you'll experience videos, choice, and multiple pathways. There's multiple ways to engage. So speaking of which, anytime, anywhere, if you want to work on it independently, you can work with a partner or maybe with a team of teachers. And the other thing, we know time is a precious commodity right now. So there is an optional choice to listen into the recording. So maybe you want to listen in when you're driving to work or doing laundry and then tackle some of the other chunks when you're done with that. We hope to see you through Personalized SC, where you can join many members. It's our one-stop shop for podcasts, our modules, resources, and then of course collaboration. So we're excited to see you in the Framework series.